Hello guys, this is your boy US30, the founder and the CEO of Blue Consistency FX, and today we're gonna be analyzing like US30. We're gonna be doing like a weekly forecast like as to like what is gonna be happening on the market. So what we're gonna be starting off with, we're gonna be starting with our zones. And as you can see, I've just changed my candlestick chart into like a line chart. So in this line chart, we're gonna be like plotting those zones. Like the zones I refer to like zones can actually act as like support and resistance, in which like where the market reverses, you understand, those kind of a certain areas, you understand, the market is always gonna respect those areas no matter what, you understand. Even here the market is at a zone. I'm just gonna plot like 5 zones on the current market, and then from there we're gonna be moving on further. Okay, I think yeah, this is the last one. Think that like this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. So now what we're gonna do is that we're going back to our candlestick chart. You understand? And then once you on your candlestick chart pattern, your chart, what you're gonna wanna do now, we are going on to the daily time frame. You understand? So once we're on the daily time frame, let's do this. Let me put it on full screen just so that you can have a like a better view like of everything. Um, yeah, should be like this. You see, now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be like plotting those levels in which like we know that like uh these are diagonal support and resistance, you understand. And I'm talking of diagonal support and resistance, I'm talking about the use of like trend lines, you understand. So here we have a structure, you understand, we have a certain structure here which obviously got broken. And one thing you know, or you should know as a trader, is that we cannot like continue moving like to the upside with like, we cannot have a break and not have like a correction, you understand. With that break, the break has to come with like a correction with it, you understand. So let me take it from here. Okay, yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, and then this is just like to show you guys that like what has been happening, you understand. But the our main focus is like we're gonna be focusing on the current market, you understand. But you should never forget the overall structure of what has been happening in the market, you understand. You should never ever forget the structure of what has been happening in the market. So with me here, I can simply see that like already, you understand, already I have what? I have a head and a shoulder. Head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Right now I'm on my what? I'm on my right shoulder. You understand? And that on that right shoulder, we're looking to target what? To target our high here. You understand? So how are we gonna catch those movements? You understand? How? Like, how are we gonna catch those movements? So right now, if you can check, I'm gonna take my trend line again, have something like this. Understand? Have something like this, something of this nature. Okay, I know that, like, yeah, we're inside, we're trading inside a correction. You understand? We're trading inside a correction. So what I'm gonna wanna do is that I wanna focus on the current market. You understand? I wanna focus on the current market. But one thing we should never forget is that we have a head and shoulders. You understand? So how can we catch that buy? You understand? How can we catch that buy to what? To hit our target. You understand? So let me simply do this. Okay, now you have a better view of what is what. Okay, and then again, we're looking to be breaking. If we break if we break the structure, obviously we're gonna have like uh, uh, a retest and everything. You understand? We're gonna have a retest, come back here, then it's gonna be pushing back to the upside. You understand? That's how it's gonna be doing. But now we're focusing on catching like this this movement. So what we basically gonna do is that we're gonna be moving on to our like 4 hour time frame, and then we're gonna be catching like those smaller structures on the like on the 4 hours time frame. So from here, don't forget the structure. We are trading in a correction, and again we are trading in an inverse head and shoulders. You understand? So we still have to hit our target to the upside. You understand? Now let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. We have to move on to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is our 4 hour time frame. You understand? So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing magic. You understand? I'm seeing magic happening. You understand? I'm not gonna focus like on this previous like market. I'm gonna focus on the current market. I'm gonna focus on the current market to catch those like movements. If you can see, we are on those zones that I once told you that like we are gonna be reversing onto. You understand? So here I just wanna plot my support. I just wanna plot my support. This is my support. I named it as my support. So and then another thing, I'm gonna go on my higher highs, and then I'm gonna be plotting my my resistance. You understand? So this is my resistance. So I shall let me name it as my resistance. Okay, there we have it, guys. Understand? So now, since we know that like we are trading inside a correction, and we're trading inside an inverse head and shoulders, we have to be catching those buys. We have to be catching those buys. So now, since we have to be catching those buys, let's identify that like what is gonna be happening on Monday. You understand? What should we expect on Monday? You understand? Monday, I'm just expecting that US30 should buy. USA30 is gonna buy. it's gonna buy. If it doesn't buy, it's gonna first sell, and then we're gonna, if you can check here, we have like sort of like a rising channel. Let me let me get to the other let me get to the other diagonal support. Okay. So if you can see, the market has been rejecting, it has been rejecting like this area for a long time. If the market wanted to give us like selling opportunities, it could have gave us selling opportunities. But since it's respecting this zone, you understand? These zones are very powerful, guys. These zones are very powerful. So from here, Monday, you're gonna be expecting what? You're gonna be expecting buying opportunities to what? To our resistance day. You understand? You're gonna be expecting buying opportunities to our resistance. Your stop loss, you're gonna put it below